We know that the key to a successful business is quality calls at an affordable price. With quality calls, you can grow your business. You can put more vans on the road. You can do more jobs. You can go ahead and live a little better. Whether it's a house on the lake, more vacations, or simply more time with your family. I'm Will, and I want to show you how our online billboards for appliance repair work. Just imagine if this billboard was 100% guaranteed to get you more business. Our online billboards will generate you appliance repair leads on a monthly basis, guaranteed. Could you handle a large volume of calls? Do you want to stop worrying about expensive websites? Maybe you're paying a per call fee right now and it's just too high. Other times you're investing into search engine optimization and your fingers are crossed hoping it'll pay off. Maybe you're trying to keep your reputation clean and you're asking customers for reviews every single day. And they're like, yeah, I'll help you with reviewing. They never do. So the typical marketing system, right? It usually costs, depending where you live, around $2,500 to build a website. Usually it's about $1,000 a month on average for SEO, $250 a month for reputation management, unless you want to keep asking for those reviews, and $150 a month for web hosting, security, and maintenance. That's a lot of money to hopefully get leads. Typically, pay-per-lead systems. Pay-per-lead systems are interesting. We've actually done pay-per-lead systems in the past, but we found that it's not effective. And I'll tell you why in a moment. The top pay-per-lead companies, Webify is usually about $35 a lead. Goodzer is usually about $20 to $30 a lead. Appliance Appointment is around the 18 mark. Appliance Repairman, they usually do a $45 fee for every booked appointment. A lot of appliance repair companies are growing their business on pay-per-lead system. But I'm going to tell you right now, if Webify moves into a new area and Goodzer's there, both their lead costs go up. They are extremely dependent on being the only lead provider in that area because they're both bidding for the spot with Google. And there's the sweet spot in there. They all want the sweet spot. So that's why you get the call from Appliance Appointment saying leads are going up $3. And that's a big deal for your business. Our goal is to get you online billboards. So this is how it works. We call this our Grown Man billboard. It's in Danbury, Connecticut, my hometown up here. If you do a quick search for appliance repair in Danbury, you'll see these ads, right? They're probably paying anywhere between $18 to $35 for the calls generated through those ads. Then you'll see our billboard right here, and it's producing calls every single month. In fact, it's producing 141 calls every month on average. And that's not counting the forms that are filled out. Our college, as we call it, quite not a grown adult, our college billboard in Norwalk, a town a little further away. It's right here. It's not growing up because it hasn't made it into the maps yet, but it is producing 57 calls a month. 57 calls a month. We have a tiered pricing model. Our baby billboards, they cost 10. They will produce 10 to 25 calls a month, and we really only want $100. Our tween billboards, those tweens, Kind of a pain in the butt, but you love them. They're producing 25 to 50 calls per month, and your monthly fee would be $250. Our college billboards are producing 50 to 100 calls per month. You're looking at a $500 fee. And then our grown-up billboards, like the one you saw above, generating over 100 calls every month, looking at a cool $1,000. When our client here and his billboard is making 141 calls, and he's only having to pay less than $10 per, a cool $1,000 a month, what do you think happens to his business? How does he grow? He has a completely different set of problems on his hands. Now, we do charge a small fee to help build that billboard. And if you are comfortable with these figures and you believe that we can give you these results, then I invite you to get on a call with me and talk about what the small investment is going to look like in your area. Every area is different. Sometimes our clients want multiple billboards all around a coastal area. Sometimes they just need one in a nice town. Every situation is different, and we want to make sure that we're able to provide the best solution for growing your business. I'm Will, and I look forward to speaking with you soon.